Here's how you can make your spreadsheet look good. This is part 3 of how I built my assignment tracking spreadsheet. First, I added a chart based on the status of the assignments. Problem is, when I try to put my headers frozen on the second, third, whatever line it was, the chart wouldn't stay frozen on top. I like to put my headers frozen because if there's too many items in your table, you won't know what each header is supposed to be unless you freeze the header row. So for now on, I unfroze the headers and I'll deal with this later. The other thing I wanted to do to make this spreadsheet easy to use was to change the colors on the statuses. So not started, for example, is something bad. You need to get going. So I changed that to red and then in progress to yellow. The completed, normally people would think, well, you're using red, yellow, it should be green. But I wanted to do something a little bit different. For the completed assignments, I wanted the entire row to gray out because if it's completed, you don't need to worry about anymore. That way, it will be very easy to identify the ones that you actually need to pay attention to. To do all of that, I use conditional formatting. The other thing I wanted to do was to make the today date, so whatever day today is, red. Again, thinking about how you can make it pop, how you can make your eye look for what is more important. So again, using conditional formatting, I made the text red on the due date column if that date is equal to today or it's past due if it's before today. I had to use 2 separate conditional formatting rules for that because I didn't feel like using formulas, but you could very well get the same result using a formula. I use that a lot to help my spreadsheets pop. If you have any questions about how to use conditional formatting, drop it in the comments.